Here we're loading up some material to just make room in our yard. We're giving this mulch away to Grow Well, company out of the South Valley of Albuquerque. They've taken thousands of yards when they have a truck in our part of the world. We produce all the compost and mulch that we can sell, and then the rest is either given away or we haul it down to a land application site north of Ruidoso that we acquired a couple of years ago when the NMDOT stopped taking as much material as we could produce. So now these trucks come in periodically and load up fresh ground stuff, and off to Albuquerque it goes for composting up there. Here's some of the material that we've taken in over the last few months. This will be ground with the Hogzilla grinder. Pretty large stumps in this, and more of that material we're giving away to Grow Well out of Albuquerque. Here's a stockpile of material that's come in from the village of Ruidoso that we're working our way through right now. We'll go up and take a look at the big grinder now. This machine is used to push the raw material over to that Volvo excavator right there, and then it's loaded into this tub grinder. This machine we acquired last October. It's really been instrumental to keeping up with the quantities that the village is producing now. As you can see, we get some pretty big stuff. Typical village load right here. Here comes a village grapple truck. These guys are fast and furious hauling. They brought in over 2,700 truckloads last year. Just like this truck that's coming. So it's a full-time job keeping up with these guys, that's for sure. Dusty operation, hard on the equipment, hard on the operators when the wind isn't blowing in our favor. This is our grinder. It has a 1,050 horse Caterpillar power plant in it, called the Monster Tub Grinder. Believe me, that's what it is. 96,000 pounds. It requires a wide load permit to move it. Well, the village guys are covering us up. There's some wood that'll be diverted to either bear carvers or SBS wood shavings or firewood people. Oh, I'm getting a little video. Got a 15-foot diameter tub on there, so if it'll fit in the machine, we can grind it. This machine will also do railroad ties, and with some modification it can grind tires. A real good idea of get a feel for the amount of material we're dealing with. Replace just the equipment you see working right here. If you bought it new, you're looking at about between $800,000 and $900,000 for the grinder, the loader, and the excavator with the thumb attachment on it there. This will give you some concept of the amount of material that is being generated and processed through the facility. We were up on the other side of that big mountain of mulch right there. You can see dust coming. That's where the grinder's working now. This material will be shifted down the hill here, and a portion of it will go into a static compost pile, and the balance of it will either be given away to our competitors in the Albuquerque area, or it'll be trucked over to the storage site at 15 miles north of Ruidoso. And if we're not able to do something with it long term, we've got an adequate amount of real estate to land apply it, which is an accepted method after it's been through the mulch process. So hope this helps with everybody getting an idea of what we do down at SierraContracting. And if anybody would like to have a personal tour, you just give Van a call, 937-2624, and I'm happy to line it up.